13th February 2007 marked a significant milestone not just for Indian Railways but also for India's industrial journey. On this day, in the spiritually and culturally rich state of Uttar Pradesh, nestled between the Ganga and Sain rivers in Raebareli, the foundation stone for the modern coach factory was laid. It became the third coach production unit of Indian Railways. The factory, spread over 540 hectares and built at a cost of Rs 3,200 crore, began construction in 2010. It includes a 187-hectare factory area and a modern township spread across 353 hectares, equipped with all modern amenities. The journey accelerated significantly after 2014 with the launch of the Make in India campaign by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. At that time, only 358 coaches had been built. But between 2015 and 2025, MCF delivered over 14,000 coaches to the nation.
मॉडर्न कोच फैक्ट्री भारतीय रेल के पैसेंजर कोचेज के निर्माण के लिए इसकी स्थापना की गई थी। यह जर्मन रेलवे टेक्नोलॉजी जो LHB कोचेज के नाम से जाना जाता है, उसका निर्माण यहाँ पे किया जाता है। और हम लोग एक छत के नीचे सारे प्रकार के कोचेज का निर्माण करते हैं, चाहे वो फर्स्ट AC हो, सेकेंड AC हो, चाहे 3 टियर हो, चाहे इकोनॉमी हो, सारे कोचेज का निर्माण यहाँ पे किया जाता है। इस वर्ष हम लोगों ने पैसेंजर कोचेज के निर्माण के साथ ही साथ मेमू, जो हमारे कम्यूटर्स के लिए बहुत ही आरामदायक ट्रेन होती है, मेमू को ट्रेन का निर्माण पहली बार किया है। ये सारे कोचेज के निर्माण की जो प्रक्रिया है, इसमें कई तरह के टेस्ट होते हैं, सेफ्टी और क्वालिटी के टेस्ट होते हैं। उस प्रॉपर स्ट्रिंजेंट टेस्ट के बाद ही कोचेज को हम लोग आगे बढ़ाते हैं पैसेंजर्स के इस्तेमाल के लिए। इस एरिया में जो इकोनॉमी है उसको बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोगों ने कम्युनिटी आउटरीच का प्रोग्राम किया है। साथ ही साथ स्किल डेवलपमेंट के तहत जो इस एरिया के लोग हैं उनकी ट्रेनिंग की व्यवस्था की गई है और साथ ही साथ पर्यावरण को हम लोगों ने फोकस किया है। ये पहला यूनिट है जो जीरो वाटर, जीरो कार्बन और जीरो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लक्ष्य पे चल रहा है।
A phenomenal achievement that reflects India's growing self-reliance and industrial strength. In the financial year 2024-25 alone, MCF produced 2,025 coaches, 20% more than the previous year. This is the highest production in MCF's history. MCF is playing a vital role in India's journey toward Atmanirbhar Bharat, delivering high-quality products using cutting-edge technology. In 2023, MCF introduced the Bharat Gaurav tourist train to help people explore India's cultural and spiritual heritage. The train is equipped with CCTV surveillance and even a modern kitchen. Beyond enhancing passenger comfort, MCF is generating employment for local youth and contributing to the region's economic upliftment. Today, MCF stands tall as one of the most advanced coach factories in the country. The process of making coaches. It all begins in the sheet metal shop where stainless steel sheets are cut into specific sizes using high-tech machines like laser cutting and welding machines and pressing tools. These components are shaped for coach fabrication. Next is the shell shop, where parts like sidewalls, roofs and underframes are constructed using robotic and automated welding systems. Each step undergoes strict quality checks. These parts are assembled in the coach shell, which is then tested with water jets for leaks, painted and moved to the finishing shop. In the wheel shop, semi-finished wheels and axles are precisely machined and assembled using a fully automated wheel and axle assembly line, delivering strength and accuracy to every train. In the bogie shop, Metal plates are precisely cut using underwater plasma, then formed and welded into bogie frames. These are checked using 3D CMM measurements. Wheel sets and bogie components are then assembled to complete the bogies. The process continues in the furnishing shop, where the painted coach shells are equipped with thermal insulation, PVC flooring, partition frames, panel sheets, seats and berths, AC unit, lighting, lavatories and paneling. The furnished coaches are then mounted on the bogies. After brake units are fitted and tested, the coaches undergo a shower test. Upon passing final inspections, they are dispatched to various railway divisions. Each coach variant is preciously designed. MCF has a well-equipped NABL certified and metallurgical lab to test materials as per international standards at every required stage. MCF manufactures coaches for prestigious trains such as Shatabdi, Rajdhani, Humsafar, Memu and Tejas. It is also gearing up to manufacture coaches for the semi-high-speed Vande Bharat trains. On 1st April 2024, MCF added another feather to its cap. The forged wheel plant, spread across 27 hectares, was acquired by MCF from the Ministry of Steel through a business transfer agreement. This strategic move strengthens India's self-reliance by reducing dependence on imported forged wheels. The plant has a capacity of 80,000 wheels per year and is currently producing 30,000 to 35,000 with plans to scale up to full capacity. Here's how these wheels are made. The forged wheel plant is a modern unit equipped with highly precise and automated machines. The process begins with CCR bars, which are cut by a saw cutting machine into blocks. These blocks are heated in a rotary hearth furnace to 1260 degrees Celsius. After descaling, they are pressed in a 9,000-ton press and shaped into wheels using a wheel rolling machine. The wheels are pierced and bored using a 5,000-ton press, then laser checked for dimensions. They undergo heat treatment, machining and testing before being sent to MCF and other railway units. All processes are automatic. MCF is not just building coaches for India, it has also manufactured coaches for Mozambique Railways. With this, MCF is taking strides to make India a global hub for coach manufacturing. A 4 megawatt solar power plant is operational at MCF. Daylight Pipes brings natural light into workshops, and the Technical Training Center has been certified as a zero label by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. MCF is committed to environmental sustainability and continuous improvement. It has undertaken major steps like planting millions of trees, developing a nursery, and installing 3 sewage treatment plants. Water conservation is a major focus. MCF has installed 29 rainwater harvesting systems, 12 ponds, and 10 bore wells. Today, MCF has the capacity to conserve up to 600 million litres of water annually across its factory and township. The Prashanti Parishar residential area offers basic facilities for both employees and officers. There is nursery and a Kendriya Vidyalaya to ensure quality education for children. Sports facilities include cricket, badminton, a swimming pool, a synthetic athletic track, golf, hockey, and an indoor stadium. Facilities like a theatre and auditorium are also available for entertainment. Additional amenities include a bank, post office, shopping complex, club, and green parks. There is also a 24-hour emergency indoor hospital. For safety, CCTV systems and watchtowers have been installed throughout the campus. This campus is more than just a workplace. It's a green, secure, and peaceful home that even attracts thousands of birds each year. For its outstanding work, MCF has received numerous honors. It is the first railway production unit to be awarded the prestigious Platinum Green Co rating by the CII in 2023 and the IRIS certification for design and manufacturing, NABL certification, ISO 14001 for environmental management, ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 38342 for welding quality, ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, ISO 5001 for energy management, 5S certification for workplace excellence. MCF is proud to walk hand in hand with Indian Railways to make travel more efficient, safe, and comfortable for everyone.